In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot ChatGPT if you're experiencing issues with it not working properly. We'll go through a few simple steps to help you get everything back in order. Let's dive right in. First, begin by heading over to the ChatGPT website using your preferred web browser. Once there, make your way to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice three small dots lined up vertically. Go ahead and give those dots a click to open up a menu full of options. From this menu, look for the Settings option. Once you've found it, click on it to proceed. Now that you're inside the Settings menu, your next destination is Privacy and Security. This part is crucial because it manages your data and can help rectify any issues that might be troubling your experience with ChatGPT. Under Privacy and Security, you'll spot an option labeled Delete Browsing Data. Click on it to move to the subsequent step. At this point, a new menu will appear, presenting you with various data deletion options. Here, it is important to ensure that cookies and other site data is checked. Cookies can sometimes retain outdated or corrupted data that might interfere with your ChatGPT experience. Equally important in this step is to make certain that the time range is set to all time. This ensures that you're doing a thorough cleanup of any potential issues. With everything correctly set, go ahead and click on Delete Data. Once that's complete, navigate back to the three dots on the upper right corner, give it another click, then search for Extensions and select Manage Extensions. It's worth noting that extensions can occasionally disrupt how websites operate, including ChatGPT. Within this menu, you'll see all the extensions currently running. Consider turning off any that you don't actively use or require. Doing so can sometimes enhance performance and resolve conflicts with web applications like ChatGPT. After making these adjustments, attempt to use ChatGPT again to check if the issue has been remedied. If you're still running into problems, don't worry, we have another trick up our sleeve: opening a new incognito window. Once more, click those three dots and pick New Incognito Window from the list. In this mode, your browser won't use any of your existing cookies or extensions, essentially giving you a fresh slate to work with ChatGPT. And if these solutions haven't done the trick, a third approach involves turning off any VPNs you might have running. VPNs can sometimes affect connectivity or complicate how software like ChatGPT communicates over the internet. Disconnecting from them might resolve the issue you're facing. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you should have a better shot at getting ChatGPT up and running smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.